Hi, I'm Holly, and I'm excited to show you the Denville, a brand new garage townhome by HHHunt Homes. If you have dreamed of entertaining, this living area is perfect. You have the space you need to bring friends and family together. In fact, this home is 1,801 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 1-car garage. Let's check it out. Welcome to the heartbeat of your home, your kitchen. The quartz countertops are beautiful and the cabinets offer a ton of space, perfect for finding your inner chef. Storage is a breeze in this kitchen with a full double-door pantry. You can say goodbye to braving nature's elements when you are headed to your car because the Denville offers an attached garage, which is super convenient for carrying in your groceries. Your first floor also offers a half bath and a coat closet. Do you love what you see? Let's head upstairs. On the second floor, we have your primary suite, extra bedrooms with large closets and an adjacent bathroom. We feel life should be convenient, so we put your full-size washer and dryer up here so you don't have to carry laundry up and down the stairs. Now for the primary suite. The large windows let in a ton of natural light and your thoughtfully designed ensuite opens to a large walk-in closet. Thank you so much for taking the tour with me. To learn more or to make the Denville your home, visit us at hhhunthomes.com. HH Hunt, because it's how you live that matters.